In a revelation that has shocked the global beauty and pharmaceutical industries, Tanzania has unveiled a groundbreaking scientific breakthrough that could see the East African nation rake in billions of dollars in revenue. On April 22, 2025, in a moment of national pride and scientific triumph, the Tanzania Wildlife Research Institute announced the discovery of a natural formulation that not only stimulates hair regrowth and prevents breakage, but also rejuvenates the skin, defying age and restoring youthful vitality. The world is now watching with bated breath as this humble East African nation prepares to transform into a biotechnology and cosmetics powerhouse. This miracle breakthrough is the result of a 12-year-long scientific expedition that began quietly in 2013. Tucked deep within the natural heritage of Tanzania, scientists at Tawiri, working closely with local Maasai, Hadzabe, Datoga, and Iraq communities in the Ngorongoro district, turned to nature in search of answers, and what they found could change everything. The secret lies in the bark of the mporogo tree, scientifically known as Albizia anthelmintica and colloquially dubbed wormwood. A tree long revered in indigenous communities for its healing powers has now officially been recognized for its unprecedented ability to promote hair regrowth, stop hair thinning, and prevent breakage, challenges that plague millions across the globe. Dr. Julius Kiyu, Director of Research at Tawiri, said that the discovery marked a significant development for people facing baldness, thinning hair, or breakage, and noted that scientific testing had confirmed Albizia anthelmintica possessed unique properties that promote hair regrowth and prevent hair loss. The formulation, now patented as composition for hair growth stimulation or hair loss prevention using an extract of Albizia anthelmintica, is already drawing commercial attention and scientific acclaim. In fact, it has been licensed to South Korea's Winwick Enterprise Limited, which plans to manufacture shampoos, oils, and other hair care products for global markets. But this isn't just about looking good. This is about healing, naturally, affordably, and sustainably. And that's where Tanzania's innovation truly begins to shake the foundations of a global industry worth over $4 billion. Hair loss is not just a cosmetic issue. It is a deeply personal, often traumatic experience that affects over 56 million people worldwide. It can be triggered by genetic factors, stress, aging, or medical treatments, and has driven millions to seek out remedies, many of which are invasive, risky, or outrageously expensive. One of the most common procedures, hair transplant surgery, can cost up to $15,000 per session and may require several rounds to achieve desired results, making it an option only for the wealthy. On the other hand, many over-the-counter or prescription chemical treatments promise miracles but often fall short, leaving users disappointed and sometimes grappling with side effects like scalp irritation, hormonal imbalances, or increased shedding. The global desperation for effective remedies has created a booming industry, yet most solutions remain inaccessible, unreliable, or unsustainable. This is precisely why Tanzania's discovery is not just a scientific victory, it's a humanitarian breakthrough. It offers an alternative that is natural, affordable, eco-friendly, and ethically sourced from traditional knowledge systems. At a time when the world is increasingly embracing clean beauty and sustainable living, a hair regrowth solution drawn from the mporogo tree offers an antidote to the high-cost, high-risk, and high-impact practices that dominate the market today. And the breakthrough doesn't stop at hair. In a parallel discovery, Tanzanian researchers have also identified a skin-rejuvenating compound extracted from the muguf plant, locally known as equida in the Datoga language. This natural wonder reduces wrinkles, brightens skin, and could soon enter the global anti-aging market, a sector expected to hit $120 billion by 2030. Though the skincare formulation is still in need of commercial backing, it represents yet another chapter in Tanzania's rise as a scientific and economic innovator. The broader goal of the Tawiri-led research initiative is as visionary as it is practical: to protect endangered medicinal plants while demonstrating their immense value to humanity. This isn't just about economic gain. It's about recognizing the untapped potential of Africa's natural and intellectual heritage and using it to empower communities, preserve biodiversity, and offer the world viable solutions to real problems. With global demand for effective, sustainable hair and skincare on the rise, Tanzania is perfectly poised to dominate this booming sector. If harnessed correctly, the country could earn billions in exports, create thousands of jobs, and build a thriving biotech ecosystem that rivals global leaders. For a country often associated with safari tourism and natural beauty, Tanzania is now rewriting its global image, this time as a scientific superpower. In conclusion, what started as a quiet research project in the hills of Ngorongoro may now catapult Tanzania into the global spotlight as a leader in health, beauty, and scientific innovation. But this story is not just for Tanzania. It is a wake-up call for the rest of Africa. Why wait for Western companies to import solutions when the continent already harbors the raw materials, indigenous knowledge, and now scientific proof to lead in innovation? Africa has the tools to become a global solutions hub, not just a recipient of foreign aid. Tanzania has shown what is possible when science, tradition, and community come together with purpose. Now it's time for others to follow suit. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Tanzania being poised to earn billions of dollars after finding a breakthrough for hair regrowth and skin rejuvenation? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa Wealth and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.